At the moment, people appear to have got a fair amount of equipment, so loading things is easy enough, but blood volume portions of workouts can be a little bit more tricky because when training delts, we don't have a cable or a lat raise machine we might use. So I'm going to talk you through a real simple tri-set you can do to take your delts to failure and still progress weekly. Starting off with the seated dumbbell lat raise, think about initiating with your delts, and as we start the movement, we're thinking about pushing our arms out and not up. So think about pushing out to the walls. Into exercise 2, which is a banded front raise, you're going to need something stable to pin the bands round, and you're going to think about initiating with the delts again. As you pull up, you want your hands to stop in line with your shoulders. Exercise 3, an isometric hold. In the isometric, simply apply pressure out into the door frame. For all our other home workout tutorials, head over to the YouTube channel.